This is Jessica with CutesyCrafts.com. I wanted to take a little time to show you some basic thread handling techniques. So to start out with, I'm going to show you how to separate your floss. So as we know, embroidery floss comes in one bigger strand of 6 small strands, and we have to separate those. So I like to take, unless I'm doing like a really, like a woven wildflower only really, I take the amount of thread from my fingertips all the way up to about the length of my shoulder. And that seems to give me a good amount for working with that won't get tangled. And snip that off. And then there are 2 ways that you can do this. So the first method that I like to use is to simply just take the amount that you need. So I'm just going to split this in half. So 3 in each section. And with your non-dominant hand, kind of just hold those separated out to the one side. And then take your finger and stick it in between the 2, and then just kind of pull and straighten. So this key here is to just keep smoothing this out, and then keep working this out down this way, smoothing it and putting your finger through. So that was pretty simple, but can sometimes lead to knots. The second way that is a little bit easier if you're having trouble with knots in your thread is to take one piece out at a time. So separate your threads at the top and choose one piece, and with your other hand hold loosely the rest of it, and then just pull up, and you can see it starting to bunch down here, and that's fine, but just pull up on that, and then you've got your one thread that's out and the rest stays tangle free. And then, so say I needed 3 strands, we'd take another one, pull that out, and that just pops right back out. It doesn't get any tangles in it. So our third one, and then you would take your 3 strands, bring them back together, make them about even, or you could just bring them together and snip off the top, and then they'll be ready to thread on your needle. And some people actually like this better. They like separating the strands because they feel that it gives them better coverage when they're stitching. I don't seem to mind either way. Normally I just separate the threads like I did in the previous method and just pull them apart, probably because I am lazy. But either way you choose to do it will work. And hopefully that'll help save you some hassle of knots, because we all know that that is the worst part of embroidery.